Hello guys, today I'll fix the Upwork notification problem because I got lots of question about the Upwork apps notification not working in lots of Facebook groups. So I think I should make a video about this, and here you see guys the Upwork apps, and these apps actually not response every time when the client or buyer give us message, because there have some possible reason why actually Upwork apps not notified immediately when the message actually comes. So I will fix this right now, and there have two possible reason. I will going through this and I will show you the possible reason and how can you fix this. So guys, make sure watch this video until the end. So first possible reason is your apps notification actually not allowed. So you have to make sure your apps notification have allowed. So for this you have to go setting and go notification. Here you see, and click this and click see all, that's mean all apps, and wait few seconds, and after load your all apps you just make sure your Upwork apps have the allowed the notification in your phone. So here I got lots of apps, that's why it's not working immediately. Anyway, here most all apps, and just find out your Upwork apps. Here it should be bottom. Anyway, just find out your Upwork app. Here you see guys, so this is actually have allowed option. If you don't have allowed, you just check this box, make sure you have checked this box. So this is a possible reason why actually you're not receiving the message immediately. And another possible reason is battery optimization. So what is battery optimization? So every Android phone have this option. That's mean the Android system automatically optimize their apps, and they keep some apps actually optimized. And for this reason actually every apps not response every time when they get notification, because this is optimized by the Android system. And you have to find your optimize option. Just go your setting and search battery optimization, optimize battery usage, just go this option, and here you see what you have to do. And after if you do successfully, I guess guys you will fix this problem. And here you see optimize battery option, and go optimize battery usage, and here you see apps not optimized. That's mean my phone have 61 apps not optimized. And here we see all apps, 442 apps, there have 442 apps, and only have 61 apps not optimized. That's mean the 61 in this list apps not optimized, in this list 61 apps actually automatically running all day long. They will immediately respond for anything, and in this list actually don't have the Upwork apps. That's why the Upwork apps actually automatically not responds when the client give us message. So you have to bring the Upwork apps for not optimized list. So you have to go your all apps list here, and you have to make sure your Upwork apps not optimized for the battery usage. That's mean you will get the notification immediately. Just you have to find out your Upwork app in this list. So find out your apps where actually Upwork apps. So just give me a few seconds, I will find it. There have many apps, I guess. Here, so this is the Upwork apps. Here you see this is actually for battery optimization. If I uncheck, so that's mean my Upwork apps will go in not optimized list, and the Upwork apps will run automatically when anybody give us message. We'll receive immediately and we'll get the notification as well. So guys, you have to just uncheck here for not battery optimization. So keep it mind, your apps have to bring this list app not optimized, and see I just bring these two apps, Fiverr and Upwork. That's mean Fiverr also have same issue. I have made another video how can you solve the issue, so you can watch in my channel. So guys, you have to make sure being two apps are not for optimize. So if you find anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And guys, thanks for watching this video.